Hey, welcome to another episode of Thumb Tacos. My name is Jared, and today we're talking about descriptions, titles, pinned comments, and tagging games. As always, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. If you are a beginning streamer and struggling on Facebook, you are in the right place. I have a playlist full of beginner tutorial videos, and today we're talking about descriptions, titles, pinned comments, and tagging games. All right, let's get into titles. When you title your stream, you want to be very on point and straightforward. You want to be right to whatever game you're playing. So if you're playing Call of Duty, your title is Call of Duty something. If you're doing Zelda, it's Zelda this. You want to have the specifics of the game on your title, and that is not the flashiest thing when you are live. Keep that in mind. Everyone thinks that they got to have a crazy name for the title, and then they neglect their description. Now, part number 2 of this is the description. My God, is the description important. This is your hook to get people into your stream. When they're browsing through, going down the list to see what gamers they're going to watch, your description is what's going to catch their eye. You have to say something engaging here. Give them a reason to click on your stream. Don't say, come hang out. Do not say, hey, like, follow, share. That's engagement baiting. You cannot engagement bait on your description, your title, nothing. All that stuff, if look in the policies of Facebook, they put it right out there for every streamer to see. There are policies that say no engagement baiting. So don't put like, follow, share, come hang out, any of that kind of stuff. And that is a pet peeve of mine when I see that on a title or a description, come hang out. Would you go hang out with a stranger? Maybe. What if you said something crazy like playing with a spaghetti mod on Call of Duty, and you actually had a mod that can make spaghetti finger guns or something? Whatever. The point is something unique to get them there. Like if you're going for a world record, if you're going for a no death, if you're going for melee only, if you're going for 3 heart runs on Zelda, whatever it is, put that in your description. Okay, descriptions are what get people's attention to get them into your stream. So do not neglect your description. Moving on to pinned comments. Now, pinned comments, there's a star pinned comment if you have stars unlocked, and then there's also a way you can just type up pinned comments in the beginning of your stream and pin them to the top. Now, this is also another really important place not to put engagement bait, and this is something I made mistakes of a lot. As soon as I stopped putting engagement bait in my star pinned comment, the algorithm picked me up a little bit more, because the algorithm is designed to not push people that use engagement bait. There's an algorithm, but it has rules, and if you want to play to the algorithm's rules, you will have better reach to new people. Now, stars pinned comment, get creative. This is a really cool place to get creative, to get people engaged with your chat. Use that stars pinned comment, or pin your own comments when you're starting out before you got stars unlocked, and you guys will see engagement and get people in the door to get into your chats. I see a lot of streamers that get a couple comments here and there because there's people that are more outgoing than others, but to get those people that are more quiet, you have to figure out a way and get them into the chats, because when your chats go up, your reactions go up, and your views will go up. They all work together, and the algorithm picks that up, and the algorithm loves engagement, so keep that in mind. All right, and last, we're going to talk about tagging games. Now, some of you forget to tag the game that you're playing. You have to have the game tag to get the reach. So make sure you tag the game in the dashboard before you go live. Right on the Facebook dashboard, they have a spot where you can tag the game. You can also add tags in your description for more reach. Don't overlook that as well. Tagging that information lets the algorithm decide where to put you out there. So if you're playing Call of Duty, you will end up on the references. People looking at Call of Duty streamers might see you. You have a better chance of getting more traction there. So make sure you're tagging that. Also, to get into the Level Up program, you got to have X amount of hours with a game tagged. You have to have a game tag to get into it. So if you have not yet, really read through those policies. There's a lot of people that just started streaming. They didn't look at any of this stuff. I kind of made the same mistake. I looked at what I wanted to look at, but I didn't go deep enough. And that's why that's the whole point of this video. I completely missed out on engagement baiting. I luckily avoided it mostly, but I started using it in my pinned comments, and I noticed my numbers slowing down, and I was like, what's going on? So I tell you guys this every week when I make this content. When I find a mistake on my own, or if I learn something, that's where these videos get inspiration from. So I made a mistake, I looked into it, and lo and behold, hey, engagement baiting's not good. So yes, we're talking about descriptions, titles, and all that other stuff, but like the big point of this video is stop engagement baiting people into your stream. Be fun, get them in there, get excited. You want to reach out to people the right way. You want to get them involved in your chats the right way, not come hang out. No, that's not going to work. Give them a reason to. I love Jurassic Park. Star Wars. Aladdin's pretty good, but I think Lion King's better. All those things engage people and make them think. You know, maybe not. Maybe somebody in here watching this has no idea what the hell I'm talking about. That's possible. But I'm just saying, in general, using big things like that to get people amped up and excited is okay. And you should be looking into doing that because it's a lot of fun. And it gets your chats rolling and everything else. So, engagement the right way. This video is kind of all over the place, so I apologize. But if you're liking the content, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. Then you can keep up with my weekly content. I'm making us all better streamers, and that's including to myself. Otherwise, if you guys want to talk face-to-face, I do stream live on Facebook Gaming. Link is down below. My schedule is always posted at the top of my page, which you guys should start doing too, so people know when you go live. And yeah, that's about it for today. So have a wonderful day. And check out these videos. Maybe this one. Maybe this one over here is what you're looking for. Or maybe this one. I don't know. But you should pick one of them. Maybe this one.